Hey YouTube, today I'm just doing a video. Basically I got a new pair of headphones. Just doing a video of them. It's Sennheiser HD 215 and they are DJ headphones. See DJ sounds. This is an unboxing video, so yeah. $69.99 is the price. I got them for $62.99. Let's right into the back. Just size. It's called the cable, and I'm not sure if you'd make that. It's a twirl of the headphones. As you can see there, it's on its head. Okay, let's get this open. It's be an unboxing video. Here we go. Bad boys out. Over there. Here is the headphones themselves. Sennheiser. Good, okay. And it's a coiled cable, as probably see. In the bottom. And screwing off. It's pretty handy. Comes the adapter comes screwed on it when you get the unit, so it's pretty good. And same screw it back on. You also get this thing with the headphones. It's like a bag for it. Yeah. So feels like leather, but it's more like cheap material. And you can't probably see there was a Sennheiser. The accessories. All the packaging there, the box. And just them plastic things. That. And the headphones themselves. Just in there. And you're able to swivel them around. I'm not sure yet, but that's the headphones there. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye.